shame we barely cracking. We're not even hit 60 k's per hour, so that's how lame that is. But once we get this car registered, tidied up, new suspension, new seat belt, all the lights, brakes, everything works fine, we get it registered, it'll be time for engine conversion and make some actual horsepower, some actual kilowatts and some actual gains. But considering this is the first and only time I'll be driving this car for many months, I thought we'd airbox it just for some fun. Shout out to my mate Derek, who does this to every car he gets. Damn, that sounds fast. It's not fast at all. But yeah. Stay tuned for